All right, guys, I'm back. I pulled out some other palettes I have. We're gonna go with our Natural Chronicles makeup with no lashes video. This video is makeup with no lash strips, you know, so we could go on our little natural. For those of you guys that just subscribed, make sure oh, first of all, thank you, and make sure you guys hit the like button right now. Okay, so we're gonna do this soft glam. Forget this because this little makeup, this is like a furry case. So we're gonna go ahead and use this. This is kind of not natural, so we're gonna stay to the brown side. Oh, we should just stay to this one. This one's really natural. So this palette kind of has the natural and the night look in it, all in. So we're gonna use these two colors. We're gonna up here. We're just gonna stay up here in this lane. Okay, guys, let's begin with these Natural Makeup Chronicles. We're gonna begin with our Urban Decay. Come on, focus. Urban Decay primer. This primer is so you don't, your makeup, your eyeshadow doesn't crease up. You don't need a lot, you just need quite a little bit, and then just rub it in with your finger. Okay, let's check this out. Here we go, guys. So this video is gonna be super simple. I'm only gonna be using two brushes. This one, I used to sell it, so I don't know where you could get it. And this is the Jaclyn Hill from Morphe blending brush collection. I'll put the link down below. I keep saying that, but I don't. Anyways, okay, we're gonna get this, and we're gonna get some Dusty Rose from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Good girl, I'm in Beverly Hills right now. Okay, she's giving in the Dusty Rose, So I'm just dabbing on the palette and just dabbing right here. So this palette has the day palette, the day and the dark night. The dark of the night. Damn, some Dusty Rose, Beverly Hills. Okay, and you see how light that makeup is? It's so cute. Blend it in. There was no product on this brush, so I'm just going in so I could smooth in the eyebrows. I'm gonna have to put the link down below for the video that I did for eyebrows. But like I tell my girls so that they have no eyebrows, no hair eyebrows, just find a video of somebody that doesn't have hair, because I wouldn't even know how to do a video like that. Okay, guys, so this is the Dusty Rose. Is looking very fabulous, girl. Let's get some more. Just go back and forth. The blending brush does it for you. Back and forth. You see it's just blending, and you see that I hate to like downgrade palettes, but I have to teach you guys. If you guys see the video I posted yesterday, you see how long it took me to blend. It took me forever to blend. And that's what I'm telling you guys. Like, Anastasia has very good quality eyeshadow, worth every penny. Because a lot of you guys don't blend your makeup good is because you don't have a good palette. And sometimes there's not good palettes in Sephora, just to let you know. Because I bought some stuff from Sephora and it didn't blend good, you know? Whoever got so lucky for their product to be in Sephora, they got really lucky, girl. Because even though you could spend $50 in Sephora for a palette, some of them just don't blend good. Anyways, the Anastasia Beverly Hills, all their eyeshadows blend very fast. And look at it, there's no lines, like, and I haven't, how long have I been blending? Like, that's why I tell you guys, it's very easy to do your makeup. It's just, you gotta go to trial and error in buying makeup. But girl, I do it for you. Like, so hit the like button right now, hit the like button, and drop a comment below. Tell me, girl, you waste your money for me. Anyways, girl. Effortlessly. And I'm just feeling this color right here. Like, I don't even want to use the other colors. I think I'm good with this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some tempera. That's what it's called, tempera. Let me use it on my, where my lash goes. Cause remember I put concealer right there? I'm just getting rid of it. Okay, you see that harsh line? I'm gonna take this blending brush, get this napkin that I have on my table, make sure there's no product on it, and I'm just gonna, it would help better if you had another okay, that's it for that, guys. Should I put on the bottom? Yes, I always do. Okay, my bottom lash, look, I'm using this, and I'm gonna use the same Dusty Rose from Anastasia Palette. And you guys know, like, usually I want to stress enough how this is a very good palette, like it's worth your money, because usually colors like this and this one and this one, or this one, they never transfer to your face, and you will never see it on your face, even though you're trying to put it on your face, girl. Because if you guys notice in the videos that I did in the beginning, I would try to do like, you know, like those videos that people do that go to Target. Even though there is some eyeshadows, but you got, girl, Target eyeshadows, I don't know. I wasted a lot of money in eyeshadows of Target, so just to be real. But anyways, yeah, there's a lot of eyeshadows that don't transfer. So now I'm gonna go ahead with my wing. This, I need to get a new one. It's already running out. Let's just use the point from Patrick Star. let's use the pointer from Stila to create my wing better. Look how that just came in and did the job. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with here. Okay, I gotta create the same wing on this side. So when I do the other eye, you see, like I do this, because this one I just did it like this. When I go to this eye, I have to go like this and like this. Okay, and then I go back like this. Then I go back like this. And then I go like this. I'm going like this, you see? Okay, I created that like that. Now I have to get that wing like that. So I go back like this. But I'm gonna use my Anastasia, my Stila micro tip. I did that. Get some mascara. Make sure you face your mirror down when you're putting on mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and use this MAC Stack mascara. But I was looking through their website and I think I'm gonna start trying the other ones because those are less expensive. And I wanna see what's up. I wanna see if this is we're just buying the bottle, you know? What if their mascaras are already bomb and we're just buying the shape of this bottle? Face your mirror down and put your mascara so you don't get messed up. Okay, that's it. Okay, and I'll be back. Let me put on my foundation. Alright guys, I'm back. Let me put this light a little bit more up. I put on my foundation. Now I'm gonna go back. I need some color on my lips. So, MAC lip liner. Just go a little over your lips so you could like look bomb. There, it looks like you have some big lips, but you really don't. And all you need is sorry, somebody's messaging me. All you need is a MAC lip liner. And then, oh girl. And then I just put chapstick on. Okay, now I'm gonna put some, this is optional. Put some mascara at the bottom of your lashes. I'm gonna do them very light today. Ooh. And there you have it, guys. Let's take a picture with the, that sucks. I'll cover the little stain here. Perfect, girl. Wasting my time. That's it, guys. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, let me know down there. Or any suggestions. I'm open to suggestions also. Oh yeah, I forgot to put my bronzer on. Going with this handy dandy NARS bronzer. I like it. I love it. It's a really good bronzer, guys. I highly recommend it. Look how my lips look juicy, girl. Just get yourself a MAC lip liner. Alright, thank you guys for watching. And to the haters that watch this, you're pathetic. I mean, because if you watch it to this end, you don't like me, you're pathetic. But anyways, thank everybody else that really likes my videos and appreciates them. Thank you. Thank you very much. No, for real, thank you. And until next time, guys, I'm gonna try to be posting every day. I know I be saying that, but girl. Ooh, okay, let's take a picture better now with my bronzer. Let's cover this. Bye.